Hi guys, I'm Danielle and today we're going to be cooking some nachos together. So I've got my oven-proof dish here and I've preheated the oven to 200 degrees. You might need to ask for some help from mum or dad. So I'll just show you the ingredients. We've got some corn chips here. We've got our cheese, black beans and corn, which go really well together. And then we're also going to use a can of tomatoes, some onion powder, cumin and paprika for some flavor and salt. So these are super easy to make. We're going to make the sauce first. So I'm going to just get a bowl like this and pour in 1 can of tomatoes. So we put the tomatoes into our bowl and then we're going to add the other things. So it's a cup of corn, a can of black beans that I've got here. Pop those in. And now it's time for the spices. So I've got a teaspoon to measure, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, can be a bit lenient with the measurements. I don't always do it exact. I think give it a good shake. This one is the onion powder, and lastly a sprinkle of salt. Alright, so now we're going to mix all these things together, and this is going to be our lovely, lovely sauce packed full of flavour from all those spices. First, we're going to line our tray with nachos. And then we're going to top it with the lovely mix that we just made. So put some big spoons on and spread it around. Get it all over. A little more over here. Just make sure it's nice and even. One spot is in too much sauce and one spot is nothing. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And the last step, most important, is the cheese. So we'll put a good, generous handful of cheese across the top. Melted cheese is the best. All right, a little more. And all we need to do now is put it into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So once again, you might need to get some help from mum or dad using the hot oven. I'm gonna take this to the oven now. Ta-da, it looks pretty good. So very carefully, not touching. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna take it out of the oven now. Very carefully with my oven mitts. Oh, it looks fabulous. Do you think so? All right, now it's time to serve it up. So we just get our spatula and we can chop a nice big piece. Yum. Woo, very hot. Yum. Oh, thank you guys so much for tuning in and see you next time.